In this tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of replacing an RFID tag on an asset in your feature layer using Survey123. Let's begin. First, open the Survey123 app. Navigate to your list of surveys and select the one you need. Then, go to the inbox at the bottom of the screen and press Map. To find your exact location, press the crosshairs icon on the right-hand side of the screen. This will center the map on your position. You can zoom in using the plus sign on the right-hand side legend or by pinching the screen. Once you have located the asset on the map, tap on the pin to open the associated form. This will open the asset's form. Scroll down to the Write Info for RFID section and tap Start. Ensure that your TSL RFID reader is connected via Bluetooth. You'll see confirmation in the bottom left-hand corner. Tap OK to proceed. When the right screen appears, point the RFID reader towards the new tag and pull the trigger. You'll see the data successfully update in the Write Info for RFID section. Now, scroll up to the InfraMarker ID field and verify that it matches the new RFID tag information. If everything looks correct, tap the check mark in the bottom right-hand corner. Then press Send Now to save your changes. And that's it. You've successfully replaced an RFID tag in your feature layer.